NextWave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. NextWave CNC Shark SD120 is a fully developed CNC built for professional woodworkers and hobbyists that want to create, cut, and carve in a minimal space. It ships fully assembled with a carbide V-bit for precision carving on both 2D and 3D projects. The SD120 also features our innovative interlock T-slot bed that allows endless possibilities when it comes to customizable clamping. The SD120 has the largest bed size of all the SD series machines. The SD120 features a color touchscreen pendant and our patented Virtual Zero software, which maps out your project using specific reference points, virtually eliminating problems caused by imperfections in the workpiece. Also included is NextWave's ready-to-control CAM software for those who would rather operate their system by computer. The SD120 accepts many of the NextWave accessories, such as the laser module, digitizing probe, mini 4th axis, and many others, making it an extremely versatile tool for the workshop. All NextWave CNC Shark machines include our Vectric design software, 2 hold-down clamps, lifetime technical support, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. NextWave CNC Shark SD120. World class. Made in USA.